Many people say the reason why Korean is hard to learn is because of grammar. It's because of honorifics, etc. They're also true, but what I'm going to tell you is the fundamental factor why people feel challenged when learning Korean. For your information, at least I've never seen people explain this on YouTube so far. So please listen carefully. The fundamental reason why people think Korean is hard is this. Korean is a predicate-focused language, while English is a noun-focused language. It might sound kind of vague, but I'll explain it as easily as possible. Let me show an example. Let's say you're in a situation where you've served pizza to your friend, and your friend ate all his or her pizza and seemed to want more. In this situation, what are you going to say? Native English speakers would answer like this. More pizza? But native Koreans would answer like this. 더 먹을래요? Which is directly translated into want to eat more. Can you see the difference now? Native English speakers use the noun more pizza, but native Koreans use the verb eat more. Let's see another example. In English, when you suggest shaking something, it sounds natural to say this. Give it a shake. But in Korean, to say give it a shake doesn't sound natural. Rather, to say 흔들어요 or 흔드세요, which is directly translated into shake it, is more natural. Can you see how shake is used differently? In English, give it a shake, shake is used as a noun. But in Korean, shake is used as a verb, the essential part of the predicate. Let's see one more example lastly. In English, if a man is confident enough, it's natural to say this. He has strong confidence. But in Korean, to say he has strong confidence is not natural. Instead, to say this is more natural in Korean. 그 남자는 자신감이 강하다, which is directly translated into thinking of him, his confidence is strong. Can you see the difference? The English sentence used the adjective strong as a noun modifier, but the Korean sentence used the same adjective strong as a part of the predicate. And this is why Korean is hard to learn for you. Because in Korean, you have to express meanings mainly with the predicate. In other words, if you can do that, you will be able to think like a real native Korean. Also, you will be able to speak like a real native Korean. So, by which means can you be able to express meanings mainly with the predicate? First, try to convert noun expressions into verb expressions. For example, instead of saying I'm on my way, try to say I'm going, because I'm going is way easier to translate into Korean. I'm on my way. 저는 위에 저의 길? I'm going. 저는 가고 있어요. 저는 가고 있어요. See? For your better understanding, let's practice with more examples. I'm giving it a try. No, I'm trying. Yes, 저는 시도하고 있어요. I'm taking a walk. No, I'm walking. Yes, 저는 산책하고 있어요. I made a decision. No, I decided. Yes, 저는 결정했어요. Mom is making a complaint. No, mom is complaining. Yes, 엄마는 불평하고 있어요. We're taking a trip. No, we're traveling. Yes, 저희는 여행하고 있어요. I hope you understand the point of this. If you keep practicing converting noun expressions into verb expressions, you will be able to speak Korean like a real native Korean. Second, try to use the adjective as a part of the predicate rather than a noun modifier. For example, instead of saying Korean has difficult grammar, try to say Korean grammar is difficult. Likewise before, Korean grammar is difficult is easier to translate into a natural Korean expression. Korean grammar is difficult. 한국어 문법은 어려워요. 한국어 문법은 어려워요. For your information, it can be a bit difficult to understand how to use the adjective as a part of the predicate. So let's practice it with some examples. Strong confidence. No. One's confidence is strong. Yes. 자신감이 강하다. Tight schedule. No. One's schedule is tight. Yes. 일정이 빡빡하다. Good reputation. No. One's reputation is good. Yes. 평판이 좋다. Easy task. No. The task is easy. Yes. 일이 쉽다. Bright future. No. The future is bright. Yes. 미래가 밝다. Now, I believe you got a little bit of understanding what I mean. If you keep practicing the two things I've mentioned, you will get closer to the thinking process of real native Koreans more and more. I guarantee you. To sum up my words so far, the reason why Korean is hard to learn is this. Korean is a predicate-focused language and English is a noun-based language. And to be able to think predicate-focused like native Koreans, you have to practice two things. First, try to convert noun expressions into verb expressions. Second, try to use the adjective as a part of the predicate rather than a noun modifier. I really want you to practice this every time you read, write, listen, and speak in Korean. You will definitely make more progress than people who don't know what we covered in this video. So, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and hope you check out the pinned comment too. Lastly, if you have some good ideas for the topic of new videos, please leave your comment. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day. Rather than now, blah, blah.